Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to today's presentation. We'll be exploring why governments are increasingly focusing on the e-rupee, also known as e-paisa. The title of our session is The Digital Future of Money, and I think you'll find it quite insightful. Over the next few minutes, we'll look at the reasons behind this shift, the benefits of digital currency, and what it means for the future of financial transactions. So, let's dive right in. Money has been constantly evolving over time. We started with coins, then moved to paper currency, followed by plastic in the form of debit and credit cards. Now, we're seeing the rise of mobile wallets, making transactions even more convenient. And the next big step in this evolution is digital currency issued directly by central banks. Take India's e-rupee, for example. It's our digital currency, safe, backed by the government, and just as valuable as cash. But instead of holding it in your hand, you have it electronically. Think of it as cash in your phone, approved and issued by the Reserve Bank of India. It's a secure and official way to make transactions, bringing us closer to a cashless future. This shift is not just about technology. It's about transforming how we handle money every day. Governments see the e-rupee as a powerful tool to make transactions faster and more cost-effective for everyone. By moving to digital currency, we can reduce our dependence on printing physical cash, which is both expensive and environmentally taxing. It also helps us improve financial transparency, making it harder for black money to thrive. This way, we can promote a cleaner, more honest economy. Additionally, embracing digital currency strengthens our digital economy and boosts our global competitiveness. Imagine, instead of carrying bulky rupee 500 notes, you can simply hold a secure digital rupee 500 in your wallet. Convenient, safe, and modern. This shift is all about making our financial system more efficient, transparent, and future-ready. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of the e-rupee. First, there's the cashless convenience. With e-rupee, making payments becomes really simple. Just use your mobile app, and there's no need to visit an ATM. It's all about making transactions quick and easy. Next is security and traceability. Since every transaction is recorded digitally, the chances of theft, counterfeiting, or corruption are significantly reduced. This makes the entire system safer for everyone involved. Moving on to financial inclusion, this is a huge advantage. Even people in remote villages who have smartphones can access and use money easily. It bridges the gap and brings more people into the formal financial system. And of course, the e-rupee is available 24/7. Unlike traditional banking hours, you can make transactions anytime, day or night, without any hassle. Imagine just scanning a QR code to buy vegetables or pay for anything. It's that simple and fast with e-rupee. It really makes everyday transactions smoother and more efficient. So, let's talk about the key differences between UPI, wallets, and the e-rupee. When we say UPI, Paytm, or Google Pay, we're referring to private apps that facilitate money transfer between banks. They're convenient and widely used, but they rely on existing banking infrastructure. Now, the e-rupee is a different story. It's actual currency issued directly by the Reserve Bank of India, not dependent on banks or private apps. This means it functions more like real cash, directly issued and controlled by the central bank. And because of that, it's considered safer, more direct, and universally accepted, just like cash in your wallet. This shift is a big step toward digital currency that's more secure and trustworthy, aligning with the overall goal of transforming our payment systems. Let's take a look at the global perspective on CBDCs. Currently, over 100 countries are actively testing or launching their own digital currencies. This shows how widespread the interest is in digital money. For example, China has already implemented the digital yuan, which is in actual use today. It's a significant step, demonstrating how a major economy is integrating digital currency into everyday transactions. In Europe, the development of the digital euro is underway. While it's not yet in circulation, this project highlights the European Union's commitment to exploring digital currency options. Moving to India, they launched pilots of the e-rupee in 2022. These pilots are designed for both retail and wholesale use, showing a versatile approach to digital currency deployment. What's clear from all of this is that governments around the world don't want to fall behind in the digital currency race. They recognize the importance of staying competitive and innovative in this rapidly evolving space. As we see these developments unfold, it's part of the broader theme of how digital currencies are transforming the future of money globally. Now, let's talk about some of the key challenges we face with digital money. First, cybersecurity risks are a major concern. It's essential that digital currencies are hack-proof to protect users' assets and information. Then, there are privacy concerns. Since digital transactions can be tracked, maintaining user privacy becomes a critical issue. Next, we have the digital divide. Rural areas might lack the necessary infrastructure, making it harder for everyone to access and benefit from digital money. Finally, public trust is vital. People need time to feel comfortable accepting digital currency over traditional cash, and building that confidence is an ongoing process. These challenges are important to consider as we work towards a more digital financial future. Let's take a look at the future of the e-rupee. One of the most exciting possibilities is that it could replace large parts of physical cash, making transactions more digital and streamlined. Imagine the convenience of not needing to carry cash around, especially for everyday transactions. Additionally, the e-rupee's integration with international trade is a game changer. It could enable faster cross-border payments, reducing delays and making global commerce much more efficient. This would be a significant step towards positioning India as a major player in the digital economy. Another critical aspect is how the e-rupee can help the government deliver subsidies directly and transparently. This means that welfare schemes could become more efficient, with funds reaching the right beneficiaries quickly and without unnecessary intermediaries. Ultimately, all these developments could transform India into a cash-light, smart economy, more connected, transparent, and efficient. It's about leveraging technology to improve everyday life and boost economic growth. And that brings us to the conclusion. E-rupee is much more than just a payment tool. It marks a new chapter in the history of money. When governments focus on digital currencies like the e-rupee, their goal is to ensure that the systems are secure, transparent, and efficient. These qualities are essential for building trust and confidence among users. By finding the right balance between innovative technology and trustworthiness, digital money has the potential to become the cash of the future. It's an exciting development that could transform how we handle transactions and manage our finances. Thank you for your attention. For more insights, you can visit www.uxmagazine.com. Thanks for visiting, everyone. I really appreciate you taking the time to be part of this presentation. If you found this content valuable, please remember to like and subscribe to UPPCS Magazine. You can find more great information and resources at www.uxmagazine.com. Again, thank you for your attention and engagement. We hope this has been helpful and inspiring for your journey. Have a great day.